Hey, how's it going? It's me, Krystal V, and I'm back with another video. This time I'm going to do an unboxing of a modern tarot deck that I recently purchased. It's called Neo Tarot, and it's got this beautiful holographic embossed font on it, which was initially what caught my eye. And also the illustration on the front is really, really beautiful as well. I will do a pan at the end of this video with the box and some of my favorite cards, just in case you can't see the detail when I'm holding some of these things up. So the Neo Tarot is by Jerico Mandybur. Hopefully I am pronouncing your name right. Sorry if I am not. And the illustrations are by Daiana Ruiz. Also, hopefully my pronunciation is correct. And it's amazing. Actually, when you open it on the inside, you have the tarot cards on one side, and then you also have the book on the other side. So I'm kind of like, you know, it's hard to get it all into the same frame. But we've got the cards and the book on either side of this box set. And it's interesting because the backs of the cards are this pattern, and I love that because you can't see whether they're right side up or switched to the other side or reversed. And it's kind of cool on the subject of reversals. There is a little insert in the book about reversals and whether or not you should read them, whether or not that would fit into your style of reading or not. I personally read reversals and I see them as like blockages or areas that need work, depending on what number it is. Usually with 5s and 8s, when they're reversed, to me, I feel like it's not such a challenge. But that's just how I read. So it has like a little bit of a write-up about what might be best for you. And these cards are absolutely beautiful, super, super colorful, and also representing, they're very representative of people of color, and also trans people. We also have a trans person in the Lovers card as well, which is great. I think in my third video that I ever made for YouTube, I was like, does anybody know any modern decks that might have trans people, or that might include people who are non-binary, or people of color, anything like that. So it's nice to see that they have some sort of tarot deck that covers all of what I was looking for. Oh, this moon card is like actually so gorgeous. So I love the illustrations. I love the color scheme. They're just so beautiful. I'm going to pick out some of my favorite cards and lay them out and do a pan at the end of the video, like I said before. And the book is great. It gives a lot of different spreads. It gives like the classic Celtic cross spread. It also gives some spreads about self-care pyramid, all sorts of things. And then it tells you how to set up. And it also gives you some basic numerology and some information about the suits as well. So this is great. This is sort of like an all-inclusive modern tarot, which was exactly what I was looking for. So I'm really happy that I picked this up. This is absolutely gorgeous. The only downside to it is that the book is attached to the box. And I like to take my books with me when I travel, or whether I like go read cards, I like to have like the actual book with me. I feel like the box and book combo is a little bit bulky, but for people who like to have everything all in one place, people who lose things easy, I think that this is a nice setup. So it all depends on what type of person you are. So Neo Tarot, definitely give this a thumbs up, a 10 out of 10, however you want to rate this. I think it's absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, and I love how the figures are depicted and how it's super, super inclusive. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you would like to see me do a spread with this tarot deck. Let me know if you have any questions, comments down below. Like, subscribe to see more of these unboxings and more tarot knowledge, feedback, more tarot videos, more tarot everything. So just let me know. Have yourself a great day.